Download the eBridge Print and Capture app from the Apple App Store. Your mobile device will need to be connected via Wi-Fi to the same network as your Toshiba eStudio system. Perform the following steps to print documents from a cloud-based storage location with eBridge Print and Capture. After installation is complete, launch the application on your iOS device by tapping the eBridge Print and Capture icon. The eBridge Print and Capture app supports printing files from cloud-based storage locations, including Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive. This tutorial will focus on printing from Dropbox. Tap Documents on the Print section of the application menu. When prompted, allow the eBridge Print and Capture app to access your Dropbox account. Tap Browse on the bottom right of the screen. Navigate to the location of the Dropbox document and select the PDF or JPEG you wish to print. The eBridge Print and Capture app supports the printing of PDF and JPEG files only. Make any desired print setting changes and then tap the printer icon in the bottom right corner. Your print job will be sent to the Toshiba system via Wi-Fi. Please remain on this screen until the data transmission has completed and then retrieve your printed document. Tap back at the top left of the screen to return to the main menu.